Alright, so here's a rivet machine with your 2 rivet points set up. I'll get another picture of a machine without a table on it. But basically the rivets are going to feed down here. These 2 pushers here, this is going to push down and then crimp over this. There's usually a plate here, but I don't actually have any, so I'll show you what it looks like. We use electronic handles there, so you don't lose a finger. So I got to put it out for a second. So if I actually get a view here. Maybe not. So just like that, they come down and hit. It'll actually swell off the rivet around the plate. So there's a different size for each rivet. See, you can see the rivet here that's already been flared out. That one came through and it gets flared out like that. That's actually a pretty bad flare, but because the plate wasn't there, it wasn't able to flare all the way around. Hope this helps.